Jolly Belly kedukan ka bapila ban yolut iki jingdon kam ki baman la kasni ki jongpi badi ki marba mardi hagador ka baduna laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai badi ki jaj do ba pher ya ki balawan ra na keleng ka rilom khasi kat ba pinang thi di ki jingdon kam ki jongpi philaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi haka jakai le kai ka balabu kerpang na ka banta jongki one room shagadukan Jolly Belly but me da ka jinkmen ya ki jingtep ki bakham nya la ban yo da ka ba phone hau number nyo not san riu pran riu san nyo but khandai pran riu lai not lai riu
ka Border Security Force BSF Meghalaya Frontier hakalai photrek unai wieng kalai thu limba ki lat patai kubor halor ki kam ki jam bakala le haki khaput bat kari Bangladesh habai kran bo Deputy Inspector General jongka BSG Meghalaya Frontier udi haukem ulai thu baka kam kadang yaj ban pendap no yak jingkeri khaput bat kari Bangladesh hakaba ulaong badang sa salai pho percent ki jaka ki bampat la ban ker namar ke jing bamyo jaka ubenrap baka jingele banyo jaka kadai ka ba e hadu kata namar ki babon ki jaka ki dai jong ki riu shimen ki ba ka East Khasi Hills bat kumju katu ni haki benta jong ka West Giant Hills kamigla kala mang tingka hadu shispa sau klor bat riu sau lak na ka benta ka jingkier sainar sha haki khaput yathu u haukem uyathu ru ba ya ka jingkier khaput onle palat ya ka shispa sanpomitar na u zero line Knang ba kanum kta ikarep karyang yakaba ki pa nyong India kila sheptieng banyo kiling kharep jongki kin poino
sa Bangladesh. Mostly it is in the East Khasi Hills, but in other places also, in Gentia Hills also, there are certain patches, but maximum are in East Khasi Hills. The main reason I have already mentioned that it is regarding the acquisition of land. So this, as you know it, system in Meghalaya land acquisition, all the land is belonging to individuals and the communities. It doesn't belongs to the government. So acquisition takes time. The process is very lengthy process. That is one of the main reasons that we are not able to complete it. By saying that land will be falling to Bangladesh, it is not correct because the international boundary is already marked. It is already well demarcated. So how it can go to other countries? See, we wanted that it should be, but there is international norms that any construction has to be carried out beyond 150 yards from the IB. This is applicable not only to the BSF, not only to the India, but also applicable to the neighboring country like Bangladesh. So that international norms we have to follow it. Yes, on humanitarian grounds, in patches like the village is right on the border, near to the border, we take it a permission or concurrence from the government of Bangladesh through the BGB. Then the single row fencing is constructed right on the border or maybe around say 10, 15 according to the situation on the ground. Altogether, the sanctioned BOPs are 125. So out of this, 117 BOPs are already constructed. Some of the construction are still going on. As far as the demand of new BOPs is concerned, so far because we have not been able to construct it, the remaining BOPs also, this will take some more time.
Habakali ya kajingdon jongki kenhon sing leno jongkari India ki basyong ri tingen hari Bangladesh udi IG ka BSF udi haukep uyathu pakat kum ka khubor na ki Border Guard of Bangladesh BGB kilalen ya kajingdon ki kenhon sing leno kari India ha Chittagong Hill Strike wat lakata kidon katu kani ke basyong basa kum ki riu shimet omdei kum ka kenhon ka balaseng nong rembha shu uyathu bakaseng balasa bean kan New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC kamdon ktem AA ha Bangladesh watla Kidon kat tu kat ni ki barung tu banyak kendo itinong kersan ke yang
some of the
kersan
IGs are still, they are going and coming to Bangladesh, to and fro from India to Bangladesh and Bangladesh to India. So this issue was taken up, recently concluded, IG's level talk.
Which groups are
What
these?
about
Which groups are these?
which groups are this?
The groups are mainly, if we talk about Chittagong Hill Tracks, the groups are based like NLFT and the insurgents group from Tripura mainly.
What about the band HNLC, a group from Meghalaya? Any input about these?
In fact, HNLC, as you know it, right now they also don't have any kind of camp in Bangladesh. But very few of them have relatives, supporters across the border. So they go on and off, but very few, very few.